In order to set up brackets, first go to the site brackets.io. There you can easily download the tool. It's compatible to both Windows and Mac, so feel free to download your version. It's a free text editor, so shouldn't be a problem. Once you're done with the download, run the installer and follow the instructions the installer guides you and simply install the brackets. Once you're done installing brackets, launch it. And there you go, your brackets is ready. In order to work, we will need some extensions added to brackets. If you look carefully, there is an extension manager. Go to the extension manager and write emmet. Once you get emmet, install it. And to the same process, we will install the another extension, Beautify. And once these two extensions are done, you're good to go.